Welcome back to Technique Tuesday. Alyssa here. Today we're going to go over a couple things to improve your posture, especially as related to your low back. In this week's blog, they're going to go over back pain and how to address that while you're driving. So there's a couple things you just may notice sitting, driving, standing, day to day. We see a lot of our back pain patients have really tight hip flexors, meaning the muscles in the front of your thigh, so they end up standing really crouched. Big thing with that is now anytime you're down on the ground, it's really hard for you to get up. So if you're playing with your grandkids, things like that, you just may notice that extending up to stand up straight, just really tight. So we're going to go over a quick stretch here on how to do that. It's nice to do on your bed or on a tall couch. And what you're going to do is get nice and comfy here, scoot to one side of the bed, make sure you're not arching your back. Try to keep that flat against the table and let your leg drop off the side. Now, some people may find their leg doesn't even go to parallel. Their leg may be stuck right up here, and that's how you know you're really tight. If, however, you can get your leg down like this and you're not feeling much of a stretch, I encourage you to try to bring your knee up towards your chest. Again, not so much so that your back is arching, just nice and flat. You're going to do that 3 times for 30 seconds on both sides of the bed. Moving carefully, trying not to overextend your back, and if you're finding that's giving you pain, don't push through it. Just kind of back off and then rest a little bit and try again. Second exercise we're going to go over today is to help stretch out your pecs. A lot of people have really rounded forward shoulders, which then puts a lot of strain on your low back. We find that most people really tight through here can't get a good deep breath. So we have a lot of patients just saying, I never feel like I can get a really good deep breath. And so what's something I can do? How is this going to just help take some of that strain off your low back? Big thing with this is we also get a lot of people, they have a foam roller at home, they don't know what to do with it. So what you're going to do is you're going to sit as low on the bottom as you can, so that way you can try to also get your head supported. Again, like the last exercise we just went through, I don't want a big arch in your back. You want to try and keep it as flat to the foam roller as you can, and then just try to open your arms. Some people, if you're a little more flexible like myself, can get your palms all the way down. Some people, they're going to try to stretch their arms out straight, and it's going to come to about here. A lot of tightness in through there, and you may feel a little bit of discomfort. I want you to try to hang out here for about 30 seconds, seeing if you can lower your arms down. As you get a little more flexible through this chest, you should find that your arms slowly start to go down towards the ground. Holding 30 seconds. 3 times is also a good amount on this exercise. Don't overstretch. If you feel like after 1, that was plenty, you're feeling a good opening through your chest, just hold there. But if you feel like you want a little deeper stretch, go for 3 times 30 seconds in that nice open kind of cross position. If you have any questions about any of the exercises we went over, need a foam roller, or just want to come in and chat with us about your low back pain, feel free to stop by or drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.